Hello children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 3. So the last class we are discussed about 3 question answers, and today the 4th, 5th and think and answer also we are going to discuss. And the 4th question is, what are the main occupations of the people living in coastal area? Tell me children, which are the occupations of the people living in the coastal area? Yes, the answer is fishing and farming. These are the main occupation of the people living in the coastal area. And the next question, write the names of crops grown in Kerala. So which are the crops grown in Kerala? Tell me children. That's everything we are already discussed in the textbook. So which are the crops items? Yes, the answer is rice, rubber, tea, coffee and spices. These are the crops are growing in Kerala. Okay children. And the think and answer, the question is, why is salt making restricted to the coastal area? What is the reason the salt making is restricted to the coastal area? So what is the answer children? The answer is, seawater is important source of salt. Seawater is collected in the salt pan, and when the seawater is evaporate, what happen? The salt is left in the salt pan. So that is the reason why the salt making is restricted in the coastal areas. These are the reason. And in your textbook you can see one activity down, do and learn. That topic, one activity is given in your textbook. That is, you want to fill in the blanks. So some states are given in your textbook: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat, Assam and Punjab. So you want to search and find out what is the festival of these states, and what is the the dance item, which is the dance item of these state, and the people speak which language, and what is the important city from these states. So this everything you want to find and fill up your textbook activity, and this activity you want to copy in your notebook. Okay children. So our third chapter, that is northern plains and coastal plains, are almost finished. I hope all are understood this chapter. Okay children. Then now after that we are going to learn about 4th lesson, that is western desert. So tell me children, what is desert? What do you mean by desert? Have you heard desert? Yes, the desert is full of covered with sand. So that areas we are called desert, and we are going to discuss western desert. So from to where it stretched from this western desert. Okay children, so look at the map. This is India physical map. So here from where to where the western desert is stretched. So it stretched from Rann of Kutch, Gujarat, in Gujarat, through Rajasthan, the border of Haryana. So from where to where this western desert is stretched? The western desert is stretched from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. Here the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, through the Rajasthan, the border of Haryana. It stretched from western desert. And important hill is there. Which is the important hills? That is Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills is the important hill in western desert, and it's called this is the Great Indian Desert. So this is the Great Indian Desert. It's called Thar Desert. So Thar desert is located from where this Thar Desert is located? That is in Rajasthan. So from where to where it is stretched? In Gujarat, Rann of Kutch through Rajasthan, the border of Haryana. It stretched from these areas or these states. Okay children. And next we are discussed what are the importance of Thar desert, what are the importance of land, what are the importance of vegetation and their climate, and the people, the lifestyle of these region people, that these are important things are we are going to discuss. Okay, tell me children, the importance of land. What is the importance of land? The Thar desert or the Western desert, what is the importance of that land? Any importance, എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രത്യേകത ഉണ്ടാവുമോ അവിടുത്തെ ലാൻഡിന്? യെസ്, the Thar desert is covered with a thick sheet and loose sand. എങ്ങനത്തെ സാൻഡാണ് അവിടെ കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്? thick sheet of loose sand we can see from the desert or western desert, these areas. And some places there are small hills or sands also we can found. What is sand dunes? Yes, that is there are small hills of sand dunes. അതായത് മണലിൻ്റെ കൂനകൾ കാറ്റടിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ട് അത് നമുക്ക് കാണാം മരുഭൂമിയിലൊക്കെ ഓരോ ചെറിയ കുന്ന്, മണലിൻ്റെ ചെറിയ കുന്നുകളായിട്ട് കാണാൻ കഴിയും. അതിനെ the hills of sand we call sand dunes. Okay children, and we can see the heavy wind is coming. From there heavy wind is coming. That wind carry the wind carry a large amount of sand. Okay, and the sand deposit one place to another place. Okay, and we can from say the heavy wind also, and that land important things are we can found streams and oases. Streams and oases also we can found from the what is oasis children? You can see in your textbook one picture is there. This is oasis. So what is oasis? A green area surrounding a water sources is called oasis. Okay, and one of the important river is flowing from there. That river name is Luni river. What is the name? Luni river also flowing these areas. And we can some people grow crops here, and most villages are situated around these oases. For what? എന്തിനാണ് ഈ ഓയസിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റിനും അവർ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ബിക്കോസ് ദേ നീഡ് വാട്ടർ. ചുറ്റിനും എന്താണുള്ളത്? വെള്ളമാണ്. ദേ നീഡഡ് for the cultivation, for the irrigation, everything they need more water. So ആ കാരണം കൊണ്ടാണ് the peoples are situated around the oasis. Okay children, this is the importance of land. The next one is importance of climate. Tell me, what is the importance of climate? What is that climate? അവിടുത്തെ climate എങ്ങനെയുള്ളതാണ്? The climate, the Thar desert remains hot and dry. The climate is very hot and dry. Why the climate is very hot and dry? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവിടെ ഭയങ്കര ചൂടും ഡ്രൈ ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്? Because there is no rainfall. There is no rainfall throughout the year. Throughout the year there is no rainfall. That is the reason they having the climate is very hot and dry. And children, in summer season, during the days are very hot and the night are very cool. Okay, and at the same time during the winter season days are warm and the night are very cold. Okay, this is the importance of climate. Okay children, and next we are going to discuss the importance of natural vegetation. Tell me children, what is natural vegetation? That is we can see some important plants also we can see from there. So which type of plants we can see? A small bushes and thorny shrubs also grow from here. We can't see the very tallest plants and all. We can't see from the. We can see only the small plants and thorny shrubs also we can found from there. And important plants names are kedri, kikar and babul trees also grown in this eastern part of the desert. And some animals also we can found there, and we have already know that which is the important one animal from there, which is that Yes, camel. Camel is the important animal in the desert. So we can found camel, black bucks, chinkara and great Indian bustard. This is also we can see these animals also we can found in this desert or Thar desert or Rajasthan, these regions we can see these animals. And the another important thing is how the water supply, how they get the water from one place to for cultivating the crops or cooking and everything, how from where they get the water. So that is the water supply. There is always very little water from there, and the village peoples are walk long distance and bring the water from, they are depending the water in fetch water. What do you mean by fetch water? Fetch water നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ഈ എന്താ പറയുക അങ്ങനെ കുഴൽക്കിണറിൽ നിന്ന് ഡയറക്റ്റ് വെള്ളം പമ്പ് കൊണ്ട് അടിച്ചെടുത്ത് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്ന വെള്ളം, that is fetch water. So the long distance the women are walking and carry this water, and also they are using for irrigation, cultivation and everything. And also the state government is trying to provide water for domestic uses and irrigation. And water from river, one of the important river is flowing from there, that is Satluj river. That is Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal, one of the important canal from there, that is Indira Gandhi Canal. And this canal is very useful to the farmers to cultivate the crops and using the irrigation also. This purpose they are using, they are depending these canals. Okay children, everybody want to read the textbook proper. Okay, thank you.